Do you need your Amazon merchant ID or merchant token and you're just not sure where to find it? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. I'm Dylan from AMZ Joy. Let's jump into the video. Okay, starting off in our Seller Central account, we're going to head over to settings on the right hand side and then click account info. Once that loads, you're going to click business information on the left hand side. And then you can see here already your merchant token. This is the same as your merchant ID. Select that. And then within this page, you can then see your merchant token for each marketplace. It's as simple as that. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. I'm Dylan Heathcote.